All right, so we got the block set done, and this is all the pieces that I got cut out of a 2x6 by 8 foot, and I just wanted to show you all of them. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each of them is that many inches tall. And we wrote the numbers on the face of them so that when they're stacked together like this, you can read the numbers. And then on this side, we painted each of them different colors. And on this side, remember my wife just taught me about knowing the colors of a rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, Roy, G, Biv. Okay, so another thing for the kids to learn. And you know, we should have painted them back the other way, so this would be the red one, so that they would read properly. Red, orange, green, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, like that. So there's a lesson learned. But they turned out pretty good. Then on the other side of the numbers, she put a black dot to represent the number of each. And on the sides, she wrote the digits. So there are all kinds of things for children to learn about, numbers and math and counting, so that when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it's equal to 10. Okay, or 5 plus 3 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, and they're the same height. Or 5 plus 3 plus 1 equals 9. Okay, so there are lots of different things you can do with this set. And she even, you know, created a little lesson plan thing to show games that you can create using them. Just pretty neat. So I just want to show you everything I made. Standard 8 foot 2x6, and there was some waste. I tried to pick boards that didn't have a lot of knots in them, and so there was some waste. There were some knots that I did have to cut out. And so I made 3 of these, one for each of the nephews, and getting ready to ship them off. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my videos. Check out my YouTube channel, Keen M, and subscribe to it because I do lots of fun stuff like this. Thanks for watching.